filled. Motor's all back together. We fixed the EGR2. We put RTV on it. Like, nobody has gaskets for this. New flex plate. Everything's back together. See if it starts. Oh, you're trying to stay away?
No, I was gonna put my stuff in. I didn't know
Oh.
you were video, then I heard you.
Oh, it's not a big deal. Let's see if this starts. It started.
Start right here.
I know. What's that noise though? Is that, oh, that's a trans? Oh, power steering? You think that's a trans or a power steering? Oh, I wonder if that's a... I made a cap. Ah, it's the power steering. Okay guys, so we got the noise going. So the issue was there's a metal plate. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can kind of see the plate right here in between the starter. Somebody cut that. I don't know if it's supposed to go all the way around the bell housing, but it looks cut. And the there's a contact on that one side of the starter we ground down because I don't know if that was from the broken flywheel or not. But then the plate was bent, so that was contacting the flex plate. So Cube and I took that back off and we strained it, and now it seems to be fine. I'm gonna get everything else back onto here, and hopefully this car is done. I think I still gotta torque the axle nuts. Yeah, it looks like I still gotta torque the axle nuts and put the wheel well on. Well, I think we're done as far as this. Let's see, I should be able to start it up. Then I guess I gotta get a clock spring, because I guess I broke the clock spring. Because I think I turned the steering rack, because I got a code for the airbag and the horn don't work. So I don't know how I did it. I didn't realize it, but I guess I turned the steering wheel. Or not steering wheel, the steering rack. When I put the I turned the steering rack when I put the tie rod ends on, and I don't think it was straight. And then when I put the wheel on straight, I think it was off like a turn. And this being an old Chrysler, you have no wiggle room. All the new stuff you can be like 360 degrees off or 540 degrees off, and it's fine. So I'm gonna get this all put back together and then take it outside and it should be done. Okay guys, we got the car running. I just want to see, we have no codes. TPMS light's the only thing on. I think it said TPMS was undetermined. Let's see, what's our fuel trims at right now? I'll make sure everything's good here. Short term and long term. What do they have it under? Let's get this out of here. Let's see, deselect, oh, long term. Short term. Where's the other one? Long term. Short term. There we go. Oh! Bank one. We're subtracting a lot of fuel. No, could that be because it didn't learn yet? Guess we'll have to see what happens. It may have not learned yet because of trying to start it with like everything messed up. There could be a bunch of fuel in the oil too. Because look at that, it's way better now just giving it gas. Let's just drive around here in the parking lot. I can't take it on the road, we don't have a plate. We got to check out the AC though, because our AC don't work. It's like blowing hot air out. Oh, chicken noise fly. flashing. Why is our check engine light flashing? Oh. Oh, now it's running rough. I do need a new motor mount. It could be the motor mount. They didn't send me the one that I needed. So that could be causing it. We'll have to get a new motor mount. I'll make sure everything's plugged in too. Let's see what cylinder it shows we're misfiring on. So now we're in gear. Could have a bad sensor too, bad crank sensor, because that's still the original one. Doesn't show misfire. Cylinder 2 is cut off. Let's see, misfire. Our injector pulse width. See that? Cylinder 2 is dead. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there you go. Cylinder 2, nothing on the millisecond. So that's our misfiring cylinder. So maybe it's not a crank sensor. Could be a connector. I don't know which side cylinder 2 is. Cylinder 2 maybe to the back side. You got a flashlight. I'm assuming it'd be the front or the back one. Look, now it's firing again. Do we have a bad connection? Now it's showing misfire again. Now I feel it drop out. Just killed number 2. Let's see which cylinder 2 is. I'll look it up quick. So cylinder 2 is this one right here. Could that be why? The connector's all broke. Let me try swapping this coil. Okay guys, so it wasn't broke. The clip came off. So I don't know how that happened. So I swapped the coils around. We'll see if this makes a difference. Maybe we got a bad coil. Find out now. There we go. We'll put back the bolts in. I just can't believe how many bolts I had to put into this motor. That may have been the only problem there, was the fact that the clip came off the coil. set that there. Let's go see if this works. Let's see, retry so we can see what cylinder ends up misfiring if it does. Check their pulse width. Still number 2. That's weird. Do we have to do like a cam crank relearn? So I didn't do that, so that might be our issue. Let's see. Functional test. Memory reset. All memory. Just make sure that we just do these. You know, it says it was done. Let's go back. Just want to make sure I'm not missing something. Oh, right there was crank relearn. Please start motor. Let's see, hopefully this relearns. It takes a little bit to do this. Hopefully this will work. Why is this not focusing? So I'll let this sit here and do its thing. I thought it usually goes quicker than this. Okay guys, so it says it's complete. I don't know if it's actually complete, but it's good. Feels a little rough right now, but that could be the motor mount. Try putting this in gear. Huh, feels way better. That might have been our whole issue. We just need to do a relearn. Okay, I'm going to leave this here for right now. So we're going to end this and then I'm going to start. I don't know if it'll be continued with this or it'll be a separate part for the TPMS. I'm not TPMS, the AC. TPMS is probably a bad sensor because we got all our stuff up with that top left one. So, yeah. I hope you guys like this. See you later.